Spread across the arid plains of southern Peru, the Nazca Lines are one of the greatest archaeological mysteries of all time. From geometric patterns to massive animal figures, these ancient geoglyphs have baffled researchers and inspired countless theories. Were they messages to the gods, a celestial calendar, or something even more mysterious? What are the Nazca Lines? The Nazca Lines are a collection of over 800 straight lines, 300 geometric shapes, and 70 animal and plant figures etched into the desert floor. These designs, some stretching hundreds of feet, were created over 2,000 years ago by the Nazca culture. But how and why did they construct these incredible patterns? How were they made? The Nazca used a surprisingly simple method to create the lines. By removing the dark, sun-baked stones on the surface, they exposed the lighter soil beneath. The dry climate and lack of wind preserved these designs for millennia. But crafting these massive figures with such precision begs the question, how did they maintain their accuracy without aerial views? Theories behind the Nazca Lines. Over the years, researchers have proposed various theories. Some believe the lines were part of religious ceremonies, serving as offerings to the gods who controlled water and fertility. Others suggest they functioned as an astronomical calendar, aligning with celestial events to guide agricultural cycles. And then there are the more speculative ideas, that the lines were landing strips for ancient astronauts or messages for extraterrestrial beings. The mystery of the figures. The animal and plant figures add another layer of intrigue. The hummingbird, spider, and monkey, among others, hold symbolic meanings in Nazca mythology. Were these shapes meant to communicate with their gods? Or do they hold secrets about the Nazca people's understanding of their environment and the cosmos? The modern exploration. Modern technology has revealed even more geoglyphs hidden beneath the surface. With drones and satellite imagery, researchers continue to uncover new patterns, expanding our understanding of this ancient wonder. Yet, the true purpose of the Nazca Lines remains elusive. Affiliate product mention. If you're fascinated by ancient mysteries like the Nazca Lines, check out Unlocking Ancient Mysteries, a comprehensive guide to humanity's greatest secrets. This book dives deep into the world's most enigmatic sites, including the Nazca Lines. Get your copy now using the affiliate link in the description. Conclusion. Whether they were sacred pathways, celestial maps, or messages to beings beyond our world, the Nazca Lines challenge our understanding of ancient civilizations. Their mystery endures, sparking curiosity and wonder in those who look upon them. What do you think? Are the Nazca Lines messages from the sky, or do they hold another purpose entirely? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more explorations into the world's greatest mysteries. And don't miss your chance to own Unlocking Ancient Mysteries. Grab it now through the link in the description.